that? Yeah, I think so. At least, I used to be able to do that. I used to push myself to superhuman limits. Look pain in the face and say, come on. But just because I could, doesn't mean I should. I'd rather tell my Skoda app, which tells my ENYAQ what temperature it should be at. So when it's time to get in, it's already warm and cozy. Okay, it's not bravery, but I get a medal. Every time.
Feels like a must-have. The My Skoda remote air conditioning in the ENYAQ IV. Skoda. Simply clever.